Solved problems, statement of profit and loss and statement of financial position. Problem. Mr. John is a sole trader. Provide the following information in respect of the year ended 31st December 2020. A. His assets and liabilities were as follows. As on 31st December 2020, cash in hand 7,000, inventory 17,800, receivables 6,775, payables 7,770. Accrued telephone expenses 1,250, loan 67,910, and as on 30th December 2019, cash on hand 1,595, inventory 2,600, receivables 8,350, payables 6,740, accrued telephone expenses 1,170, and there is no loan as on that date. B. Bank account 1st January 2019. Balance brought forward 6,950. Banked cash 69,290. Additional capital 11,000. Total receipts in the bank account are 87,240. On the credit side, the payments, cash expenses 3,650. Salaries 2,720. Payment to payables 66,490. Drawings 3,770. General expenses 2,740. Balance carried down 7,870. Total payments including balance carried down is 87,240. C. He made the following payment out of cash before being banked. 1. Payment of stationery 1,400. Payment for telephones 1,670. Payment for rent of shop 4,600. Cash payment receivables 72,365. Prepare statement of profit and loss and statement of financial position as on 31st December 2020. Solution. Let us prepare the opening balance sheet as on 31st December 2019 to find out the capital at the beginning by Mr. John. Opening balance sheet 31st December 2019. On the asset side, cash in hand 1595. Bank balance 6,950. Inventory 2,600. Receivables 8,350. On the liability side, payables 6,740. Accrued telephone 1,170. When we balance the balance sheet, there is a difference of 11,585 that represents the capital at the beginning by Mr. John. Now let us prepare the payables account to find out the purchases during the year. Accounts payable. On the credit side, balance brought forward 6,740. On the debit side, by bank 60,490. Closing balance. Balance carried forward 7,770. When we balance the account, there is a difference of 67,520 excess debit. So this represents purchases by Mr. John. Let us prepare the receivable account to find out the sales during the year. Accounts receivable. On the debit side, balance brought forward 8,350. On the credit side, cash received from receivables 72,365. Balance carried forward 6,775. When we balance the account, there is a excess credit of 70,790. This represents sales during the year. Let us prepare the cash account to find out the purchase of fixed assets, if any. Cash account. On the debit side, balance brought forward 1,595. Telephone 1,750. Loan 67,910. Cash from receivables 72,365. On the credit side, payment for stationery 1,400. Telephone 1,670. Rent 4,600. Bank deposited in a bank account 69,290. Balance carried forward 7,000. There is a difference of 59,660 excess debit, excess cash received. So this represents purchase of fixed assets. There is a loan of 67,910. So it is assumed that this is utilized for the purchase of fixed assets by Mr. John. Let us prepare capital account of Mr. John. Mr. John capital. Opening balance brought forward 11,585. By bank 11,000. Additional capital introduced by him. Total capital 22,585 as on 31st December 2020. Let us prepare the trial balance as on 31st December 2020. Trial balance. On the debit side, 7,000, bank 7,870, receivables 6,775, inventory, opening inventory 2,600, fixed assets 59,660, drawings 3,770, purchases 67,520, cash expenses 3,650, general expenses 2,740, rent 4,600, salaries 2,720, stationery 1,400, total debits 170,305. On the credit side, payables 7,770, accrued telephone 1,250, loan 67,910, capital 22,585, sales 70,790, total credits 170,305. Let us prepare the income statement as on 31st December 2020 from the above trial balance. Income statement: on the debit side, opening stock 2,600, purchases 67,520. On the credit side, sales 70,790, closing stock 17,800. When we balance the account, there is a difference of 18,470 excess credit over debits. This represents gross profit transferred to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account: on the credit side, gross profit 18,470. On the debit side, cash expenses 3,650, general expenses 2,740, rent 4,600, salaries 2,720, stationery 1,400. When we balance the account, there is a difference of 3,360 excess credit over expenses. That represents net profit transferred to Mr. John's capital account. Let us prepare statement of financial position as on 31st December 2020, balance sheet as on 31st December 2020, liabilities amount, assets amount. On the asset side, current assets, cash in hand 7,000, cash at bank 7,870, receivables 6,775, inventory 17,800, total current assets 39,445, fixed assets like plant and machinery, etc. 59,660, total assets 99,105. On the credit side, current liabilities, payables 7,770, accrued telephone expenses 1,250, total current liabilities 9,020, loan 67,910, capital account 22,585, add net profit 3,360, less drawings 3,770. His balance of capital as on 31st December 2020 is 22,175. Total liabilities including owner's capital is 99,105. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.